Wastewater treatment. The impurities from wastewater and sewer go through various processes before releasing the water into lakes, rivers and streams. This is called wastewater treatment. Did you know that an average person flushes water 25,000 times a year? Approximately 2 gallons of water is drained down the toilet with every flush. The sewage and wastewater mostly come from homes, which is a mix of grease, food, human waste, soap, detergents and other organic matter. Sewage is full of bacteria and viruses. The wastewater treatment facility treats the wastewater and sewer water to make it drinkable for humans and other animals. The wastewater goes through 4 processes before being released into rivers, lakes, streams and even oceans. They are: physical treatment, biological treatment, filtration, disinfection. In physical treatment, various materials like branches, rocks are removed from the wastewater inside huge pipes, by going through bar screens which act as a barrier. In the next stage, smaller pieces of materials like sand, silt, and facial tissues are trapped in grit chambers. Next, the wastewater flows to settling tanks where particles denser than water sink to the bottom. Particles less dense than water form a layer at the top. The top layer is called the liquid. Grease is a mixture of oils, waxes, and soaps. The liquid grease is skimmed and taken to a landfill where they are placed in large trucks to be used as fertilizer in the soil. Biological treatment. Next, the bacteria present in the wastewater is used to remove contaminants from the wastewater. The wastewater contains ammonia. Oxygen from huge pipes is added to the wastewater. The bacteria converts the ammonia into nitrogen gas, which is released into the atmosphere. At the end of the process, bacteria sink into the bottom, leaving the pure water at the top. Filtration treatment. Next, the salts still remain in the wastewater after the first 2 treatments. Reverse osmosis is used to remove the salts. Osmosis is a process where the water moves through a membrane that allows the water to pass but not the salts. In reverse osmosis, a pressure is used to move the water through a thin membrane, which blocks the salt and lets the pure water move to the other side. Disinfection. The filtered water is treated with chlorine and other compounds that carry disease-carrying bacteria. The pure water in a few developed countries is released to lakes, rivers, streams, and oceans rather than releasing it to the homes. This evaporates into the atmosphere and comes down as rain and enrich the soil and the overall environment.